After seeing the world during 30 years of exploration, I have realized that we need to protect the mother that feeds us all. We cannot allow the human to destroy our natural environment and habitat. For me as an explorer, seeing changes throughout 30 years of exploration made me want to participate in education and science to protect the future of our planet for the new generation. Seaweed has an important mission, as the oceans are the livelihood of everyone living on this planet. If we can protect our oceans, we can protect human beings and create an environment that is much better managed and reserved for the younger generation to come. I've always said that youth will be the biggest source of untapped energy. They're not polluted by different interests in finance and in creating businesses. The youth really cares for what they want to care for. That's why I believe that the biggest source of untapped energy will be the younger generation. And they're still free to be able to play an important role in future projects that can change our universe or our environment for a better place to live in. I believe that entrepreneurship is a big key that can allow us to take care of our oceans in a better way. And the more entrepreneurs we have investing in projects that's related to the ocean, the more interest it will create. And the human being is a funny animal. It always seems to want to go where you have the mass of people and the mass of interest. So the more we get involved with the oceans, the more people will want to invest in the future of a sustainable world. And that's why we need to invite the younger generation to expose their ideas and their thoughts on how to make the ocean a clean and a better place to live in into the future. The question that we often ask ourselves is that youth, ecology, entrepreneurship can stand together in a project to conserve the world for the future generation. And I believe that we have to have a balance. We have to have a balance that we do not use and abuse the ocean to feed us. There's got to be a balance in the amount of money you want to make by using the ocean as a source of income. And then the other third pillar to a sustainable environment is, if you want to take care of the oceans and stop earning money and stop taking care of the social aspects of the human being, you cannot be unbalanced in wanting to take care of the oceans entirely by itself. We should live in a balance, and this balance must be defined in between what the human needs socially, what we can make money from, and how we can protect the environment. So 3 important pillars to the conservation of our ocean is social, economical, and environmental. I think we live, or I know we live in an amazing world, and nature can take care of itself. The biggest hazard to nature will always stay or will always be the human being. And I believe that as soon as we understand that we can have a positive or negative impact on the future of our oceans, that is when we understand that the role that we can play comes with a lot of responsibility. So the more responsibility we take for our actions, the better we can conserve the oceans for the new generation. Seaweed is a natural source that nature supplies to us and that can solve so many problems. So for me, using what nature supplies to fix what the human being has destructed in that natural habitat is important. We will always have the best product available to solve our solutions if we look at nature and what nature can supply as a solution. So what drove me to launch Pangaea X and to want to conserve the oceans? It was because I've seen my playground change. After 27 circumnavigations of the world, I felt that I wanted to do something to protect the oceans, and not only the oceans, our planet, for my two daughters. And it became personal. I'm an explorer. I live out in nature. I see changes. And when you start looking around you and you don't feel that you're getting what you've seen 30 years ago today, that missing part of what I don't see in nature anymore is what I would like to repair. So I believe that Pangaea X was the starting point of the changes I've seen. And young people asked me to participate in their projects, and we no longer could support all the thousands of ideas that was proposed to us. So we decided to build a platform where young people with ideas and innovative experiences could come to us and ask us to support their projects. Pangaea X will become from an idea to an action, and that is what we need today. We need action programs, and the more action programs we have, the quicker the world will become better. My ultimate goal with Pangaea X was to empower the youth, to give them the responsibility of fixing what the older generation have created. Our world is changing rapidly. Tomorrow, when we no longer here, the younger generation will have to live with the consequences of the decisions that we have made in the previous generation. That's why it's important today to give them an opportunity to play a role into the future of the survival of our planet and the survival of the human being living on this planet. Pangaea X is a project where we invite young people with innovative ideas to come out here and to take their idea into reality and to be able to turn a simple idea into an action. Thank you, Seaweed Around the Clock, for this opportunity. We must lead the change and inspire everyone around us to follow. The youth is the answer, and they will play their role to make the world a better place.